Iya, si Alexia Reign Hernandez, 20 anyos, lumad nga taga dakbayan sa Bogo, third-year political science student sa Silliman University. Sama sa mga beauty queens, nahimo niyang adbokasiya ang pagpreserbar sa kasaysayan, pinaagi sa edukasyon. Ug karon sa iyang edad, iyang salmotan ang usa ka international pageant aron maipakita sa international stage ang makahinganghang nga kasaysayan sa Pilipinas ug sa ilang lugar.
Mayong buntag, Alexia, ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Alexia, saan nakapaagni kanimo to join beauty pageants? Who motivated yung ipadayon gayud kini despite all the challenges?
Para na ako adjong mga friends and family, ay lang support mo, nakapamotivate na ako. Aside, when I started joining pageantry, a lot of doors opened for me, endless opportunities, so I'm always grateful for that. But yeah, mostly because of my family and my friends' support.
And of course, this is also your opportunity to share your advocacy. May we know
Yes, actually.
Unsang imuhang advokasya?
Nagsugod ko sa akong advocacy to ensure that there's quality education, but specifically karon as a political science student, I wanted to emphasize the importance of history and preservation of history, but still through arts and education. I wanted for that to be placed out there for people to be aware and find importance in history, especially in our country, actually.
Pinaagi ni ining advocacy nimo, history preservation through arts and education. How can this help our country, Alexia?
Well, as a political science student, again, our country has really faced a lot, and I'm sure our heroes, our forefathers, women from before didn't die didn't die for nothing. So I wanted to emphasize how important our history is, and of course you can never foresee our future or enjoy the present actually today if we don't find the importance of our past and history.
O karon, Alexia, nga muapil ka sa Miss Filipina International Pageant. Unsa man ang iyong mga preparations karon?
Actually, daghan kaayo. I will be starting my Q&A session, pasarela, from makeup to projection, a lot actually. But with all my preparation, I find it important to always stick to my core.
And you mentioned earlier, aduna kay mga challenges kani adto growing up. Unsa man kini nga mga hurdles along the way that you had to face, Alexia?
Specifically financial aspects, it's very costly to join pageantry. But aside from that, I think mentally and physically, but also emotionally, I think these challenges I don't want them to see as something na makapahinder sa kuha, but rather to push me to become greater. And I'm sure in another generation nga nung ma-challenge ta, of course, to evolve ourselves more.
Busa, Alexia, please invite all our Cebuano, all our kapuso to support you on this journey.
Okay, I just would love to say to all our Cebuanos that I hope you support me throughout my journey and hope you are proud of me as I represent our beautiful province. Of course, my city, Bogo City. This is for the people who believed in me, who were there from my very start. So thank you so much in advance for all your support and for all of your guidance.
And of course, Alexia, before we let you go, unsay mensahe nimo para sa tanan nga nagtan-aw karong buntaga?
I'm sure that all of us are experiencing our different challenges in life, whatever situation you have. So I hope you find it in your hearts to stay hopeful, stay positive, and of course, stay faithful. And I think that will be all.
And thank you so much, Alexia, for joining us this morning. Godspeed and God bless on this journey.
Thank you so much. Thank you again for having me.
Yes, bring home the crown.
Thank you, I hope so.